Hey everyone, with the ASUS TUF Gaming K3 Gen 2, we're exploring the fascinating world of gaming accessories. This small, robust, and feature-rich gaming keyboard is designed for players who want performance and dependability in a stylish package. Let's see why this keyboard could become your go-to gaming partner. The black matte ABS plastic used to construct the ASUS TUF Gaming K3 Gen 2 is renowned for being both lightweight and strong. This guarantees the keyboard's durability and portability. This 96% layout keyboard, which measures only 385 by 135 by 38 millimeters, keeps the number pad while reducing superfluous bulk, making it ideal for gamers who value desktop space for quick mouse movements. The detachable top panel, which is magnetically secured for safe positioning during intense gameplay, is a noteworthy feature. This panel has two functions: simple cleaning. Without unscrewing anything, quickly access the inside components of the keyboard. Custom aesthetic. To transform the keyboard into a skeleton-style, minimalist design, remove the panel. Accidents happen to gamers all the time, but ASUS has you covered. With its IP57 rating, the TUF K3 Gen 2 provides protection against dust and liquid spills. ASUS claims that it can even withstand 30 minutes of submersion in water up to 1 meter deep. Testing for water resistance is not required for daily use, although it is useful for unintentional spills. Using optical mechanical switches, the TUF Gaming K3 Gen 2 has a lifespan of up to 100 million keystrokes. These are more durable and have lower latency than conventional mechanical switches, since they detect keystrokes using a laser beam. There are two kinds of switches. Red switches, perfect for fast-paced games like shooters. These linear switches have a 1.8 millimeters actuation point and 35 grams of force. Blue switches, excellent for accurate inputs. These tactile switches require 55 grams of force to click and respond. Additionally, the keyboard has hot change capability, which is uncommon and useful in this price range because it allows you to swap out switches without soldering. With 16.8 million colors and a range of effects available through the ASUS Armory Crate program, the RGB illumination is completely configurable. For a seamless gaming experience, ASUS Aura Sync also enables synchronization with other ASUS RGB products. The primary keys and number pad are combined in the 96% configuration, which preserves functionality while reducing room. However, the typical key arrangement is somewhat changed by this small design. The main block incorporates navigation keys. The Control and Fen keys have been moved. The right Alt key is one of the smaller keys. Although these changes increase space efficiency, there can be a learning curve. The keyboard's sound-absorbing padding and silicone dampeners would be appreciated by gamers. Even during long gaming sessions, these features guarantee a quiet and comfortable gaming experience by minimizing noise and vibrations. A multi-purpose gaming keyboard with capabilities usually seen in more expensive models is ASUS TUF Gaming K3 Gen 2. For gamers who require excellent performance without going over budget, its optical mechanical controls, robust construction, and small size make it an exceptional choice. Its combination of value, style, and usefulness makes it a good option for both recreational and competitive players, even though the layout could take some getting used to. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, then subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.